Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by heating salted water to a rolling boil. This seasons the pasta and prevents sticking. Once boiling, add 200 g pasta and stir briefly so it doesn't clump. Make sure to follow the package time and test a piece 1 minute early for al dente. The firm texture holds sauce better. Before draining, scoop out 1/2 cup of starchy pasta water. This is liquid gold for thinning the white sauce and helping it cling to noodles. You melt butter, then whisk in 2 tablespoons flour to form a roux. Cooking it briefly removes the raw flour flavor and yields a silkier sauce. Once the roux smells nutty and slightly golden, slowly add 1.5 cups milk in a thin stream while whisking to prevent lumps. Make sure to simmer gently until it thickens to a creamy consistency. If it becomes too thick, add reserved pasta water a little at a time. Season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg for balanced flavor. You combine the hot, drained pasta with the white sauce off heat so the sauce doesn't split. This keeps the texture glossy. Once combined, fold in 1/4 cup grated cheese for richness, and if it seems thick, add reserved pasta water a tablespoon at a time to reach saucy cling. Taste and adjust salt or pepper, then finish with chopped parsley. If sauce separates, whisk in a splash of warm milk over low heat to bring it back together.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.